What is your opinion about disease?
Ooh, look at the hospitals. It's just what I can tell you. I think it's full of people. Lots of people waiting for healing. Lots of people dying. And this is, I don't want to criticize the science and the doctors. They're doing their work and the most they can, but they are limited to the rules of the capitalism and the how you say, like, consume. And I really think that there's lots of people also that every day they're taking pills for, I don't know if they have really disease or not, but I can see lots of sick people. We feel like we are in the peak of the technological development of humanity, but what I can see is the opposite. We have less than 200 years with, like, trying with us, and I think the graphics is something completely different.
So what is the original of every disease?
I think the lifestyle. In the morning you wake up, the first thing you do is like watching your phone. So you start to get not good ideas, no? You allow to bring inside bad thoughts, and it's how you start your day. After you get like distracted because you are not thinking in your present moment, so you forget what you need to do. That's the first step. After this, it's like you eat whatever it comes on your way, and if you create from this routine, this routine is going to bring you a disease. And that's what it happens with emotions, no? If someone is telling you, you are wrong, you are so ugly, you are not doing good, you are not good enough, all those things that is going to bring you bad feelings.
It's like you're eating those emotions.
Yeah, you're eating the emotion, especially when you believe that you really are all those thoughts coming from outside, no? If you feeling that this is truth, no? The truth from someone else. You're taking it from yourself and you're thinking, I'm bad, I'm stupid, I'm not doing the things in the right way. So next day you are going to wake up more depressed, more anxious, and you are going to repeat this routine. You are going to wake up, to watch your phone, to looking for approval. Yes.
And this is what creates a disease after maybe 1 year, maybe 5 years, maybe 1 month. So what you think is the either reversing a disease, or the natural remedies that someone can try if they are open into trying something different than the medical approach?
Okay. I think it's just, if we think in reverse, in the first moment of your day, you start with gratitude.
Wow.
To remember that you are alive. This is the first step. After this, give chance to your mind to recover, to process the reality where you are living. No? Don't get attached to your dreams. Because sometimes that is complicated, no? To start the beginning. After this is try to go out. Try to go out of the box. Get in nature. Walk. Workout is important. Doesn't need to be a routine, but at least something fun. Dancing, swimming. If you have kids, jump with the kids, like play with the kids, or doing something like that. Movement is important, and also what we mentioned before is like the food is the first medicine. Is one of the first medicines. Yes.
I read a nice quote: eat your food as your medicine, or else you'll be eating medicine as your food.
Exactly. Or pills. You don't say medicine.
Potato. And if you
can feel that the Western medicine is not working for you, you can go in the path of trying the natural medicine. But I need to remind that the natural medicine always works with discipline.
Yeah.
Always works with discipline. Because a pill, it can quit from you the pain
Instantly.
instantly.
But not treat the cause.
Yes, but it's going to be for a moment. The natural medicine is going to work forever, but you need to be disciplined for that, because if not, it doesn't work. If you drink a tea for something, it's not going to work in the moment when you drink it. You need to do it constantly. I
think that's where we got confused between the natural remedies and the medicine, because we're always looking for an instant release, instant feeling better, instant. But whenever you go into something that are natural, they always need a lot of more time. Like, you have to be patient in doing it, and like really tapping into the discipline and the routines for making the body recover. Last sentence you want to say before we finish this video?
Being healthy is a choice.
It is.
Yes.
Nice. Yeah. How do you feel today?